Is it the right time to buy or sell stock in Super Micro Computer? Welcome to this in-depth analysis of Super Micro Computer. Our initial report was published on our website on Friday, February 16, 2024. Now, we're here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and turn on notifications to stay updated on our latest analysis. You don't want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Take your trading decisions to the next level with our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of artificial intelligence and get free price predictions and deep analysis for any of the 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. As of January 4, 2024, our system has identified Super Micro Computer as a promising investment opportunity, giving it a score of 2.05. Now, let's dive into the stock's performance during this period. If you followed our analysis, you would have experienced a remarkable gain of 178.16% since we first recommended Super Micro Computer as a buy candidate 31 days ago. This means an average return of 5.75% per day since it was listed as a buy candidate. The stock is currently in the midst of a strong upward trend, indicating a potential for further growth. Based on the 3-month trend, there is a projected 105.83% change over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging from 25.72% to 159.44%. Looking at the 12-month trend, there is a predicted 59.9% change over the next year, with a potential return ranging from -34.86% to 100.14%. This translates to a price range of $523.26 to $1,607.79 after 12 months. Our latest update on Super Micro Computer brings you a significant development, a notable movement in the stock price, with a 34.54% fluctuation between the day's high and low. On the last trading day, Friday, February 16, 2024, the Super Micro Computer stock price experienced a decline of -19.99%, dropping from $1,004 to $803.32. Throughout the day, the stock fluctuated by 34.54%, reaching a low of $801.15 and a high of $1,077.87. Over the past 2 weeks, the price has risen in 9 out of 10 trading days, showing a 38.59% increase. However, it's important to note that despite a 9 million share volume increase on the last day, the prices were falling. This might indicate a potential risk that could slightly increase over the next few days. In total, approximately $26.87 billion worth of Super Micro Computer shares were bought and sold, accounting for a total of 33 million shares. Looking at the stock's performance over the past 52 weeks, its highest price reached $1,077.87, while the lowest price dipped to $85.61. Currently, the stock price sits at $274.55 below its 52-week high, representing a decrease of 25.47%. It's worth mentioning that $1,077.87 is not only the 52-week high but also the all-time high for this stock. Analyst Ratings. Bank of America Securities recently gave SMCI a buy grade with an initialize action on Thursday, February 15, 2024. Susquehanna, on Tuesday, February 13, 2024, gave SMCI an underperform grade along with a hold action. On Tuesday, January 30, 2024, Wedbush assigned SMCI a buy grade with a hold action. Susquehanna also gave SMCI a negative grade with a hold action on Tuesday, January 30, 2024. Lastly, on Monday, January 22, 2024, Wedbush rated SMCI as neutral with a hold action. Analysts have given a general buy rating to Super Micro Computer stock. They rate the PE ratio as buy and the price to book as buy. In terms of return on investment, the analysts give the stock a strong buy rating. In this video, we'll be discussing the signals identified for Super Micro Computer stock. The short-term moving average suggests a sell signal, while the long-term average indicates a buy signal. With the short-term average higher than the long-term average, there is an overall buy signal for the stock, indicating a positive outlook. If the stock continues to gain, it may face resistance at around $812.95 from the short-term moving average. On the other hand, if the stock falls, it may find support at approximately $500.73 from the long-term average. Breaking above the short-term average would trigger a buy signal, while breaking below the long-term average would trigger a sell signal. Additionally, the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD, also suggests a buy signal. However, there have been some negative signals that could impact the stock's near short-term development. A sell signal was issued from a pivot top point on Thursday, February 15, 2024, resulting in a 19.99% decline so far. Further decline is expected until a new bottom pivot is identified. Yesterday, volume increased as prices fell, which could be an early warning sign that should be monitored closely. Let's explore some other signals that you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, this is a buy signal. Pivots, we had a sell signal 2 days ago. Bollinger, there was a buy signal 103 days ago. Short-term moving average, we received a sell signal 2 days ago. Long-term moving average, a sell signal was observed 33 days ago. In terms of the relationship between the short and long moving averages, we saw a buy signal 44 days ago. Now, if we take a look at the 12-month chart, here's what we find. Short-term moving average, it gave a sell signal 33 days ago. Long-term moving average, it presented a buy signal 45 days ago. In terms of the relationship between the short and long moving averages, we saw a buy signal 50 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to discover more signals. Today, we'll be discussing support, risk, and stop loss for Supermicrocomputer. Supermicrocomputer has found support from accumulated volume at $773.01. This level presents a potential buying opportunity, as we can expect an upward reaction when the support is tested. However, it's important to note that this stock is considered very high risk due to its significant volatility. In fact, the Bollinger Band indicates a large prediction interval for this stock. On the last trading day, Supermicrocomputer experienced a price range of $276.72, or 34.54%, between its highest and lowest points. This demonstrates the stock's high daily volatility. Over the past week, the stock has displayed an average daily volatility of 13.61%. Before we discuss potential trading levels for Supermicrocomputer, let's go over some important fundamental data. First, let's talk about the price-to-earnings ratio, also known as the P/E ratio. This ratio compares a company's current share price to its per-share earnings. A high P/E ratio could indicate that the stock is overvalued or that investors have high expectations for future growth. Now, let's move on to the latest news. The earnings report for Q1 2024 is scheduled to be released on May 07, 2024. According to analysts' consensus estimates, the expected earnings are $5.62. It's important to keep an eye on these numbers as they can significantly impact stock prices. Today, let's analyze potential day trading levels for Supermicrocomputer. If the stock shows an upward trend, the first resistance level to watch out for is at $880.55. If you're not yet invested, it might be wise to wait for this level to be broken before entering a position. However, if you already hold the stock, this could be a level worth considering for swing trading. On the downside, Supermicrocomputer faces its first support level at $773.01. If this support level holds, it could present a good opportunity for entry, as we anticipate a potential rebound. According to multiple analyst sources, Supermicrocomputer has received a combined average rating of buy. Now, let's delve into some recent insider trades. Clegg Don W., one of the company's insiders, has conducted the 5 most recent insider trades, involving the purchase and sale of a total of 534 shares or options. Analyzing the 100 most recent insider trades, we've determined that the insider power is positive, with a ratio of 41.802. Overall, insiders have purchased 483,499 shares and sold 213,407 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss for this stock is set at $766.53, which represents a decrease of 4.58%. This particular stock experiences significant daily movements, which also means it carries a high level of risk. We have identified a sell signal from a pivot top that was detected just 1 day ago. Is Super Micro Computer stock a good buy? Based on our analysis, we believe that Super Micro Computer stock presents a buying opportunity in the short term. Several positive short-term signals and a generally favorable trend indicate the potential for the stock to perform well. Upon analyzing the volatility and recent movements in the market, our systems have determined that the current price of Super Micro Computer stock is undervalued. For the upcoming trading day on Tuesday, February 20th, we anticipate that Super Micro Computer will open at $90.79 and begin trading at $894.11. Before we begin, it's important to note that trading comes with a high risk of losing money. To make informed decisions, it's always a good idea to consult with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. Please remember that StockInvest.us should not be the sole basis for your investment choices. By using the information provided, you agree to take full responsibility for your own investment decisions. Welcome to Stock Invest. Today, we'll be discussing our current view of a particular stock. We're excited to hear your thoughts and opinions, so don't forget to comment below and share your insights with us. We're also curious to know your target for this stock. Remember to like and subscribe to stay updated with our latest content. We genuinely wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. Regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.